In this video, I'll show you 5 ways how to find the best companies to work for. Hi, my name is Virginie and this channel is all about helping women to succeed in their career. So if you want to take your career to the next level, start by subscribing to my channel below. So you know how every company these days is saying that they want more women, they want to promote more women, but the thing is, when you look at the facts, they still really struggle, most companies really struggle to find women. And that's why I strongly believe that if companies cannot find us, then we need to find them. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 ways how to find the best companies to work for. The first way how to find the best companies to work for is to check private equity firms. So basically what a private equity firm does is it invests in other companies that they find have a lot of potential to grow so that they can buy low and sell a few years later high. So because the companies that are acquired or invested in by private equity firms go through a very detailed screening process, it's a very good way to find out about new companies that are strong and have a lot of potential, a lot of growth. To find private equity firms, let's see what we find in Google. So you want to type in Google private equity in your city and then check out the websites and check out what companies are in their portfolio, because usually each private equity firms has a portfolio tab on their website where they list all the companies they're invested in. And this is a really good way because also it means that these companies have a lot of financial resources to pay well and to hire and to grow. So the second way is to go to a high-profile conference in your industry. This is one of the best ways to meet new people, because people who pay to go to a great conference, they are going also to network, they want to meet new people. So for you, when you are looking for a job, it's a great way to be efficient in your networking activities. And I know from my own experience that this works, because a couple of years ago I did find a job by going to a conference I was super interested in, and I also used it as an opportunity to network. And like maybe 6 months later, someone I met there contacted me to offer me a job. Before you go to the conference, you really want to make sure that you have your storyline straight in your head. In other words, you want to be able to explain to someone you just met what you do and why you're open to job opportunities. And you have to present your story in a way that really attracts people to you, and not that it feels like you are asking them for a job. So be strategic about your speech. Third, you want to check out where all your LinkedIn connections are working. This is a great way to find new leads, because all the companies you will find, you already know people working there, so you will be able to have insights about the company growth, the culture, and open positions. The fourth way to find the best companies to work for is to do an industry analysis. So when you have a big name in mind of a company you would love to work for, make sure to check who are the competitors, because maybe there is a newcomer you don't know of and that is growing much faster than this big name you know. So make sure to Google the company you are interested in Google plus competitors or also plus partners, and dig a little bit in the search results to see what you can find. The fifth way to find companies to work for is Google Maps. Google Maps is a great way to find new companies to target if you live in a big city. I did a special video about it last week, which I will link up here and in the description below. Make sure to check it out. Now, if you need help to define your goals because you feel stuck right now, I have a special free video training just for you on my website. So if it seems interesting to you, make sure to check the link in the description box below. In my next video, I'll talk about how to best prepare for an interview. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.